Hello students, today we discuss about transistors. So what are the drawbacks of vacuum tubes? Because in the vacuum tube the cathode is heated up to very high temperature to get the thermionic emission. So it requires more power and the power loss is very high, and you cannot control the vacuum tube diode and triode, and accurate control is not possible. So these are the drawbacks of vacuum tube based devices. To overcome all those drawbacks, the people or the scientists, they have invented the semiconductor devices. So in the year 1947, these three people, John Bardeen and William Shockley and Walter Brattain, they have developed point contact transistor in the year of 1947 at Bell Laboratory, and because of this invention they got Nobel Prize in the year 1956. And this is the first transistor structure, that is a point contact transistor. It uses two gold foil. One gold foil act as an emitter, another gold foil act as a collector, and these there is a gap between emitter and collector, and this sharp point, point which is touching the semiconductor, this metal base is known as base. So it has three terminal. If we apply a small magnitude signal in the emitter base junction, a large magnitude signal is obtained from collector base junction. So that is a working or the concept of single point contact transistor. Because why it is called single point contact? Because here it is touching only one point, so it is point contact. And the first bipolar junction transistor were invented by William Shockley in the year 1948 in the same Bell Laboratory, and this is the first bipolar junction transistor view. So today's the transistors are available in market, and there are various type of configuration. One is the plastic package, the metal package. So these are the variety of transistors available in today market, and these are the common type of transistor. These transistors can be classified as BJT, bipolar junction transistor, and field effect transistor. Bipolar junction transistor can be again classified into PNP and NPN transistor, and FET can be classified as JFET and MOSFET. It is further classified into N channel MOSFET and P channel MOSFET, and in your syllabus they have given only BJT. So we will discuss only about bipolar junction transistor in the future lecture. So what is bipolar junction transistor? A bipolar junction transistor is a three-terminal semiconductor device consisting of two PN junction which is able to amplify or magnify a signal. It is a current control device. The three terminals of the BJTs are base, emitter and collector. So this is a representation of NPN transistor. NPN. Take three semiconductor material and join together, you will get this device. So this terminal is collector, base and emitter. There are two junctions, first junction and second junction. This transistor, the arrow is in outward direction, so it is NPN transistor. So here the arrow is in inward direction, so it is PNP transistor. So emitter, it emits the electrons. Base, so here base is a region over which the emission will take place and transport of charge carrier will take place, and therefore it is called base. And collector means it collects all the electrons which is emitted by the emitter terminal. So what is bipolar meaning? So here the current flow takes place because of hole and electrons, because of two charge carrier. Bi means two. So here the operation of transistor will depend on two different type of charge carrier. One is a hole, another one is an electron. So both are influencing the current flow. That's why it is bipolar. So both electrons and holes contribute to electron current flow. What is transistor? It is a transfer resistor. So I will tell you detail in our future lecture. So next class we will discuss about the structure of BJT. Thank you.